Well, can't log into your TikTok account or locked TikTok account? Well, let me help you. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix your locked TikTok account. Open the app and head over to the settings. If you can't open the app, you can just go to your browser and go to TikTok support. Now once here, scroll all the way down below and you will find the option report a problem. Now tap on it, open it and go to accounts and profiles under topics that you can see, and here what you want to do is go to login, and under login what you want to do is probably the suspended account. Since your account is locked, it's probably because TikTok suspended your account or deleted your account. So go to suspended accounts, and here you can read TikTok is committed to maintaining a safe and positive in-app experience and reserves the right to suspended accounts that violates our community. Now, is your problem solved? Tap on no, and here go to need more help, and once here type in your suspended account username, and second option you can read suspended account can be appealed in the TikTok app. Have you appealed this ban in TikTok app? No, I haven't, and submit it. Now once you do this, they'll get back to you in few hours time and they'll contact you if your more info is needed, and they might be able to help you. Now, you can't unlock a TikTok account by yourself if it's locked. It's someone from the TikTok team that needs to review and unlock your account. So just wait, and they must get back to you in few hours time or a few days time. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.